I'm neither a communist nor a neoliberal, so actually I would describe myself as a Tinakanomist, meaning one believing in a certain philosophy where you know that some things you cannot control and others you really need to control. That is my general feeling about this subject as well, where I see that promises that are being made, that this is the big remedy, copyright systems, copyright law is a big remedy of all evils artists can face, and will actually allow them to have a decent living and even more so fair pay for what they work for. That actually these promises are not kept, and that is a serious problem, because when these promises are being made, one actually would expect that there's also something close to it in reality. And in fact, that is not the case. We have a situation nowadays where most of the important copyright is being owned by big companies. There was actually an estimate made by the Society of Editors in Italy that after this reform prolonging the copyright from 50 to 70 years, most of the interesting, rewarding, financially interesting rights are owned by the Berlusconi publishing houses. So there you are. This isn't really what this is being sold for, and that makes me a bit angry, I must say. I would expect that a promise is being kept. If it's publicly made and if politicians strive for it, they should know what they are fighting for and devise a copyright that is really in favor of those working artistically or in literature or in other creative fields. They should get a reward for what they are doing, a proper remuneration, and our present system doesn't do that. That's why I'm angry about the present regime, and I would advocate that all those who are concerned with these things sit together and find something which comes close again to the idea that authors and other artists are being given a fair share for their work.